Welcome to the course How to Create Professional Book Covers That Sell, where you will learn how to create book covers that are designed to stand out in such a way as to attract a lot more sales. My name is Ian Stables and I have been a self-published author since 2012 and I have published more than 50 Kindle books, many of which have gone on to become bestsellers. For quite some time now, I have designed and created my own book covers using a certain free resource. No, it is not Gimp. By the end of this course, you will be able to create professional covers that grab attention and attract a lot more sales as well. I'll also be explaining what I discovered. It's called difference, and difference really does sell. You will be able to create special effects just like this one that grab the eye, and these will make your book stand out amongst the competition on Amazon. First of all, I'll be explaining to you how to make your book look professional. I'll be showing you an easy way to do that, and I'll also be explaining what I've discovered called difference and how you can apply it to your covers. Then, after introducing you to free design software that I use, I'll be showing you how to use each of the tools effectively. Next, I'll be showing you some wonderful and easy to create special effects that you can use on your covers. Finally, just to make sure that you're able to create the very best cover designs, I'll be walking you through some cover creation examples. And in these final lectures, you will discover some extra very eye-catching design ideas and learn how to easily create them for yourself. So this course has been created for self-published authors just like me who would like to have the ability to create covers that will stand out and sell more copies of their hard work. So click on the Take This Course button here to enroll now, and I'll see you soon.